Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing common Samsung washing machine error codes and providing step-by-step solutions to help you fix them quickly and easily. Whether you're dealing with an E1 code or a 5C error, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding error codes. Samsung washing machines display error codes to indicate malfunctions or issues. These codes usually consist of a letter followed by a number, such as E4 or 4C. Each code corresponds to a specific problem, so it's essential to know what they mean. Step 2. Common error codes and their meanings. 1. E1 water level error. This code indicates that the washing machine is having trouble filling with water. Solution. Check the water supply to ensure that it's turned on. Inspect the water inlet hose for kinks or clogs, and clean the filter located at the inlet valve. 2. E2 drain error. The machine is unable to drain water. Solution. Check the drain hose for blockages. Ensure it's not clogged and is positioned correctly. Also, inspect the filter at the bottom of the machine for debris and clean it out. 3. E3 spin sensor error. This error occurs when the spin sensor is not functioning properly. Solution. Make sure the washing machine is level. Check for overloading, reduce the load size if necessary. If the problem persists, inspect the spin sensor for faults. 4. 4C water supply error. The washer cannot fill with water due to low water supply. Solution. Confirm that both the hot and cold water taps are open and that hoses aren't frozen or kinked. 5. 5C drainage error. Also indicates that the machine is unable to drain. Solution. Similar to E2, inspect the drain hose and filter thoroughly. Ensure there are no obstructions in the drainage path. Step 3. Resetting your washing machine. If you encounter an error code, resetting the washing machine can sometimes resolve the issue. Unplug the machine from the power outlet. Wait for at least 10 minutes. Plug it back in and restart the cycle. Step 4. When to call an expert. If you've tried the solutions outlined above and the error codes persist, it may be time to contact a Samsung service technician. They have the expertise to diagnose and resolve deeper mechanical or electronic issues that can't be fixed at home. Always remember to consult your owner's manual for specific error code information related to your model, as codes can vary. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up. Your support keeps us motivated to create more helpful content.